Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm about to show you a method using which you can earn money by simply reading emails. Yes, you heard it right. And on top of that, you'll be getting a bonus when you sign up on this awesome website. So let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now in the end of this video, I have a special bonus for you, which is today's hot offer. So you need to check out that as well if you want to multiply your earnings tenfold. So now let's get started with this video. So the website is called as paidtoreademail.com. It says paid-to-read-email.com, as simple as that. You can also search on Google for paidtoread.com and then click on the first link. Now as you can see that they have a nice beautiful page here, and there is this beautiful woman here along with the sign up form. That means you just need to click on you are a male or female, you need to enter your name, your email address, your password and click on sign up. That's how easy it is to sign up on this website. Now why do you actually want to sign up to this website? There are various reasons for it. You can make money by reading emails on this website. Yes, you heard it right. They will pay you to read emails. How does it work? It's a very simple process. You need to sign up, you need to read emails and you need to get paid. Now this sounds very easy, right? But the honest truth is it is actually very easy. There are various reasons for you to join paid to read email. You can get daily paid emails which you have to read. The payment processing is very quick. You can get paid in as soon as 24 hours. They have a very low limit of payout. That means as soon as your wallet reach a balance of $15, you'll be paid. Then you need to join and activate your account and you'll be getting a $3 bonus for that. You can also fill out some daily surveys and make 50 cents to $1 per survey. Now you can also refer your friends and make some points as well as money. So that's how easy it is to join paid to read emails. Now I know you want to know what kind of surveys are available, what kind of emails are available. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You can see that they have some cash surveys available. That means if you fill this survey, you get $1. You get $0.75. For this one, you get $0.5, $0.5, $0.5. Here you can see your current cash, how many points you have, how many paid emails you have done, if you have any referrals. So all of those things are available here. And you can see that these things are really cool and really awesome. You can see some other surveys as well here. Now on FAQ tab, you'll get a list of all the questions which you might have in your mind. For example, how and when I'll be paid. So they'll pay you your money by PayPal. Now when you'll have 100 points in your account, they will replace that by $1. So as you can see that they have a very simple system available here which you can use. Now your first payment will be processed within just 15 days from the end of the month in which you requested the payment. This waiting period is necessary in order to prevent online fraud. You can see that the minimum payout is $15. So as soon as your wallet reaches $15, you make money. The best part is as soon as you join, you receive $3. So that means you only have to make $12 for this to get your money into your own bank account. Now as you can see that there are some other questions here which you still have, so you can go to their FAQ page and read them for yourself. Now if you have any questions or suggestions or problems related to their website or their authenticity, you can always reach out to them. That's the best part. I've seen a lot of websites don't provide you with a contact us form, but this one here will provide you to actually contact them and then ask them questions if you have any. Now let's go back to homepage because I want to share with you some other things. Now these features might look very natural, but I'm telling you that these features are really cool because I have explored thousands of websites which claim to pay you money, but these kind of amazing features are not available in any other website. Not only that, the sign up process, their overall system is very smooth, very smooth. You just have to enter your name, your email, your password and confirm the password and sign up. Now when you have created the account, you can just click on the sign in button here, enter your email address, your password and then click on sign in to log into your own account. Now I want to tell you that this method will need you to do some work. It is not a done for you method. That means you have to actually read the emails and make money using that method. But there is nothing in the world as simple as reading emails, right? So guys, I hope you have learned the basics of the system. Now if you want to multiply this system, then I have a bonus for you. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.